banana. I know that the seats are okay. I just don't. I'm so nervous with you on your seatbelt. That's why.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Yeah, I need to drive really safe because this is not safe.
Woo. Look how tall that is.
Alright, can you show like more stuff?
Okay.
Yeah, like no, show it.
Look at this. The Rogers Center is right beside it. This is where the Blue Jays go, right?
Yep. And yeah, Rogers Center. And the other one was Scotiabank. That's where the Raptors.
Oh.
Okay, can you please put your seatbelt on?
A little bit of Jessica, here I am.
Big 3-0. Boy. This is my homegirl Sawaya. You know, special vegetarian food for her.
Vegan is the way to go.
You know, tell him.
Vegan 2021.
I don't know about me, but I'm gonna try. This is Ducky. Say welcome, Ducky in Orlando. Yeah, man. Yeah, always matching up. I just took it in. This is Nikki. Oh, sexy girl, Nikki. Yeah. This is Beatty and Renee. Say what's up. Come on. My dad, you know, is trying to figure out the heater. Auntie Vida. Say hey. It's for my YouTube. I'm a vlogger now. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, man. 30. Welcome to the
Welcome to the Sri Lanka.
I have arrived. Oh, Nintendo.
Oh, you can drink tonight. I have to drive.
Okay, let me get you one.
What? It's like 2.5. No, it's because of my license.
She just said she's teaching.
Oh. Can't risk it.
And she's coming from Brampton. You know Brampton don't play.
Yeah, because of the Indian.
Yeah,
She said it not me.
Yeah, because they drink too much.
And
That's
they
why.
always accent skills.
Yeah.
You think the skills?
Probably.
That's the way that
They have spot checking back then.
I'm Trinity colleagues around there.
Oh, you still live
Brampton insurance is over there.
Yeah.
If I have my G, if I have my G.
So cheers to 2021. Joanna, hey, cheers. Nikki, cheers. So wait, y'all. Yeah. Thank you. May God prosper. Daddy. What's up, man? What's up, man?
Hold it tight.
Come on.
Hold it.
Ready? Okay.
Spin it.
Oh.
Sold out my show in Scotland. Used to say I wanna win Tottenham when I'm out, but one day I'ma change the map in Tottenham. Don't rush.
Alright, welcome. Good morning. So, my birthday was good. No police were called, so that's a success. But now I am just gonna clean up. You know, my mom did a lot yesterday, so the least I could do is clean up my own party, which is not much. You know, I woke up early this morning. Oh gosh, my face looks like I still have makeup, but yeah, I'm just gonna wake up this morning, clean up, and I have a meeting at 11, so I gotta do this. It's coming up. It's coming up. So I gotta do this in an hour, which I think I can do. I'm gonna leave here because I want to do some like photos here. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna leave this area. So that actually saves a lot in cleaning. But I'm gonna clean up the rest of the places. So yeah. Food courtesy of Renee. Thanks, honey.
This is him.
Thank you. Hey, girl. This is my beautiful friend Nicole. How you doing? This is the hostess of the mostest. Hi, Renee. Making us. Hey, is that my daughter?
Yes.
My daughter. Hey, Louis Vuitton. Hey, high class. High class, madame. High class, madame. During my time in Toronto, I spent my mornings walking along the city trails just to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and enjoy, you know, a bit of urban vibe. So you know I'm on auntie duties. I took my nephew to the dentist to check him out because we're thinking about getting braces for him. We are at the dentist. Hey y'all. Hey. All right. So I haven't vlogged in a minute, to be honest. I've just been I've been lazy. That's the honest truth. I've been lazy. But I'm leaving in I think 2 days, and I'm actually just packing. At the moment, my room is a hot mess. It's a hot mess because yeah, I'm actually packing stuff. I'm using a new suitcase I have. I'm putting some of my mom's stuff in another suitcase that I used to use. My mom has so many like traditional wear clothes, so anytime I come back, I literally give her my suitcase and she puts all her traditional wears in my old suitcases. Wild. So some of her suitcases are here. So yeah, packing stuff. There's some stuff in here that I'm actually throwing away. Normally, whenever I come back, I always, whatever clothes that I don't need, I want to throw away, I just give to shelters, donate them. Any like the little boxes around. Yeah, I do that. But I'm not gonna do it, so I'm just gonna throw it in the garbage. Also too, whatever I have, but I'm like, you know what, I still want to keep it in case when I come back I may need it, just for certain, maybe when it's too cold, maybe it's too warm. When it's too warm, I don't have clothing for either or weather. At least I have it around, so I'm just gonna box those in put them in a box and then put them in the basement, because normally when I leave, my mom turns my room into like her little mini closet where she puts all her shoes, all her traditional wear, all her clothing here, and sometimes just comes here just for naps. So that's what I'm doing right now, just cleaning up the place. So my place is a mess. I'm actually very ashamed to show you my room, because you're gonna be like, Jessica, you are a pigsty. I'm not a pigsty. No. I'm just rearranging, okay? There's a method to my madness. Nonetheless, let me show you. This is one suitcase. I think this is the bigger suitcase. Oh, wait. Here it is. Can you see? Yeah, this is a bigger suitcase. I am actually using a lot of my Shein bags for mostly like my light colors, so my whites, maybe like pinks if I have any. I'm also using it for liquids, because all the time, anytime I travel, I always have one liquid that breaks. Always one liquid. So, and then it affects my clothing. So I'm like, let me just put it in here. Of course, these are still pretty light, so nothing's guaranteed with these, but it's just to make my heart feel a little better. So that's one suitcase that I have. So in this suitcase, it's like a lot of tops, dresses, some shoes, some I would say this one has a couple friends that are in Ghana right now. They have asked me to bring stuff for them, so so nice. I always tell people, going is tough. Going is tough to ask me to bring stuff. Coming back, whatever you want, let me know. But me going is tough, but you know what? I'm gonna do it. I don't care. I'll do it. So I have a few of my friends' stuff here. My other suitcase. Oh God, I'll show you my ugly room. This is my other suitcase. There it is. This is my other suitcase. I think it's full. It feels heavy. I actually tried to use this. I use this, which is a manual scale, and it shows that it's still underweight, but it feels full. And anyone that uses a manual scale knows that these are frauds. Okay, this is a fraud sometimes. Sometimes you think that you're right on that 23 kg. When you go there, you're like at 26. And you're like, you failed. So I'm still using it. I still try to keep, maybe it says it's underweight. I'll take it as it's right on that 23 kg mark. So it has a lot of my bottoms there, a lot of my bags there. I would say a lot of my makeup in that bag. And then I have my carry-on. So my carry-ons, I always keep my electronics in my carry-on. I don't trust no airline. I don't care. Canadian airline, I don't trust. Any transit airline, I don't trust. And any Ghanaian airline, I don't trust. I don't trust none of them, okay? I'm an equal opportunity, don't trust person. So I have my couple clothes I'm gonna be rocking because I'm doing a stopover. Still figuring out what to wear, what makes sense to put in my carry-on, so I'm good to go. And I also try to keep a little bit of room in case I'm overweight, and in case anyone asks me last minute to bring something, I just try to keep a little bit of space in my carry-on all the time. So there's that. So I try to get some of my clothing. I try to keep some travel liquids with me. It's like face wash, feminine products in there. Yeah, so that's that. As for your personal bag, your handbag, it's always my camera bag is my handbag. Okay, like I said, I don't trust none of my electronics, so my camera bag is my handbag. I love it. Okay, just put it as a crossbody, or I can hold it like this, which I never do, and I go about my business like that. So this is me traveling. I'm really excited to go back. Before I was like, oh my God, I miss my family, which I still do. I'm grateful, stuff like that. But I'm ready to go back to my peace and not here's peaceful, but like my own space, and then be silent for a few days. So yeah. I am leaving. I'm finally leaving Canada. Daddy, you can't go in. Yo, go. Every time I'm about to land in Accra, I always have butterflies in my stomach. I'm so giddy. I don't know what it is about landing. It's just so beautiful, and I really do feel at home every single time I land in Ghana. Every single time.